one of the joys of driving in Malaysia is the receipt of a fine. And to pay off this fine for a road traffic offense is going to be difficult because a lot of people don't realize it is not like Singapore where everything is centralized. Within a state, there are many different districts taken care of by different district councils. And in addition to that, between different states, where there are different state governments, the methods for paying is also different again. So with all the pain that I've gone through, I've decided to create a video to educate you how it is done so that you also can clear out your traffic offenses and pay for it so that your life will not be made difficult in the future. To start things off, you have to first figure out what is this fine about. Is it a speeding fine or is it a parking fine? There is a difference between the two, unfortunately. So I received a parking fine in a particular district within the state of KL. So the first thing is looking at the parking ticket that you have received, you've got to identify which city council is the one issuing the saman. And this is the one area that you look at in the parking ticket. Then you've got to Google the city council's website. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it in this saman, which is the weirdest. So look for the appropriate city council and identify it and go to Google, identify the website, click through to the website, and you will see the options for paying the fine appear somewhere on the website. So here is immediately on the first page for this particular city council that I need to pay off my fine. Go to the button that says compound payment and click through to it. Of course, you can choose the language that you're familiar with, for example, because it defaults to Malay. And once you click through, you will then need to identify the number which is on the fine ticket that you need to copy in and then input into the next page after you have clicked through from the first page. So once you have done that, input the number into the field that is required according to the instructions that you can see here, and then click search. And if it is a valid ticket, of course, you're going to see the details appear. For my ticket, I have already cleared everything, so there's no details here at all. So once the detail occur, they will also tell you how much the fine is. The tip here is if you can clear your saman ticket within 2 weeks, then you will get a very good deal. If not, you've got to pay the full price after the 2 weeks. So click on this option that says pay, and then the option will appear here, and then click on this button again. You will be brought to the next page where all the payment detail options are available. Like for example, with credit card, with a debit card, or with online banking. And once you have gone through the entire procedure, which I'm not going to show you here because these are private details, you will then receive a receipt for the saman ticket that you have paid. And keep this for future reference. And I hope we have now, having come to the end of the procedures, you have a much clearer idea how to clear off any saman tickets that you have in the future. I hope you don't. But if you have, you can always refer back to this video. Share it out to all your friends and family if they, in their travels within Malaysia when they are driving, receive a saman ticket. I hope you'll be helpful. See you in the next video.